I want to show you how you should sit when you want to play the trumpet. There are funny ways people sit, and that can affect the sound quality. So when you want to play the trumpet and you are sitting like this, you see, it's going to affect the sound that you're producing. Or when you sit like this, no, that is not the right posture. Let me show you the right posture. You sit upright this way. You have your trumpet like this. Remember your 4 fingers, the left hand and the thumb. This is the pinky ring, 3 fingers and the thumb here. And you sit like this. See, the trumpet is pointing straight, not tilting towards the ground. See. No, that is not the right position. Not this, not this. I mean, it's straight. Sometimes you've practiced for a few minutes and you feel so tired. And you just want to lean back. Just make sure that your back is well rested. So you have something, a good chair that has a backrest. But you are not resting totally like this. You sit upright. You have your trumpet like this. See my hands? Okay, let me watch you do that. Yes, yes, yes. That is it. But don't be tempted to play like this when you're tired. If you're tired, just take a little rest. Few seconds, 1 minute, and go back to practice. Don't practice the wrong way. It's going to affect your sound quality. Or you play like this. It's the wrong approach. Make sure that the sitting position is this way.